Hello everybody! I'm Lisa and welcome to my channel, You English. Do you want to speak English like a native speaker? If yes, these are 25 phrases that you have to know. Listen carefully and then you can try to repeat after me. Are you ready, guys? Just take a deep breath and let's begin. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. Terima kasih sudah menunggu. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Dengan senang hati. Could you tell me where is the bank? Could you tell me where is the bank? Could you tell me where is the bank? Bisakah kamu memberitahu saya di mana bank berada? Is it near from here? Is it near from here? Is it near from here? Apakah dekat dari sini? How do I get there? How do I get there? How do I get there? Bagaimana saya bisa ke sana? Are you from here? Are you from here? Are you from here? Apa kamu berasal dari sini? Of course. Of course. Of course. Tentu saja. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? How's the weather today? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? It's cold today. It's cold today. It's cold today. Hari ini cuaca dingin. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Saya tidak berpikir demikian. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? Apa yang ingin kamu beli? How much is it? How much is it? How much is it? Berapa harganya? May I help you? May I help you? May I help you? Ada yang bisa saya bantu? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Apa yang harus saya lakukan? I'd love to. I'd love to. I'd love to. Saya ingin sekali. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Kedengarannya bagus. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Jangan khawatir. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Apakah kamu yakin? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Siapa ini? Why not? Why not? Why not? Kenapa tidak? Would you like to go? Would you like to go? Would you like to go? Apakah kamu ingin pergi? What a pity. What a pity. What a pity. Sayang sekali. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Apa yang sedang kamu cari? I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Saya lelah. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Apa maksudmu? Wow, that's cool. You are amazing. Thank you so much guys for joining me in this lesson video. If you like it, don't forget to give me your thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I'll see you again. Bye.